10 money secrets they don't teach you in school. The school system is designed to keep people poor and mediocre. It was never intended to empower individuals to become rich and live lives filled with prosperity. Instead, it focuses on raising obedient employees who never dream big. If you want to break free from this programming, it's essential to watch this video until the end because no one is coming to save you. Now, let's uncover 10 money secrets that schools fail to teach. 1. Money loses value over time. Understanding the concept of inflation is vital. Money sitting idle loses its purchasing power over time, making it crucial to invest and grow your wealth to combat the erosion of value. Medium of exchange, unit of account, and store of value are the three attributes of money. While money is a medium of exchange and a unit of account, its role as a store of value has diminished due to high inflation rates. Saving money alone is no longer a viable strategy for retirement. It will only lead to a decrease in purchasing power. 2. Saving makes you poor. Money is a tool, not a trophy. Merely stashing it away in a savings account treats it as a shiny object to be admired, but it should be actively used to score points for your financial team. While savings may preserve your money and earn a small interest, it is hardly enough to beat inflation. Wealth is created through investing, where calculated risks are taken to generate growth. Compound interest plays a significant role in wealth accumulation, allowing your money to grow exponentially over time. 3. The difference between credit and cash. Cash provides ultimate control over your finances, reflecting your liquid assets and immediate transaction closure. On the other hand, credit, when used wisely, can be a powerful tool for facilitating large purchases, building businesses, and managing unexpected expenses. However, credit comes with the cost of interest, and understanding your ability to pay it back is crucial. Mastering the use of credit as a tool, similar to cash, opens doors to building generational wealth. 4. Money is tied to value. Creating wealth involves giving society what it wants but doesn't yet know how to get at scale. Value creation is an ongoing process that requires identifying needs, providing solutions, and distributing the created value. Building trust, offering great products, and effective marketing are key factors in distributing value. True prosperity comes from enriching oneself by enriching society, not by accumulating wealth at the expense of others. 5. A monthly salary equals addiction. A fixed monthly income can induce complacency and aversion to risk-taking, limiting your potential for financial success. Stepping out of the routine and embracing the uncertainty of entrepreneurship, investments, and innovation is essential for significant wealth creation. The security of a monthly salary should not hinder your ability to explore financial opportunities that can lead to substantial rewards. 6. How banks work. Understanding how banks operate is crucial for avoiding unnecessary fees and interest charges. Personal responsibility for financial education is necessary since banks prey on people's lack of financial management knowledge. By educating yourself about banking practices, you can make informed decisions and protect your financial interests. 7. How to keep your money from flying out of your pockets. Marketing and advertising constantly persuade us to buy things we don't need, leading to impulse purchases and wasteful spending. Differentiating between items that truly upgrade your life and those that are simply nice to have is crucial for building and preserving wealth. Being mindful of your spending habits can help you retain control over your finances. 8. Why money needs to flow through the economy. Money needs to circulate in the economy to enable business activities, consumer purchases, and investment opportunities. When money moves from one party to another, it stimulates growth and facilitates economic activities. When you pay for services, buy products, or invest in businesses, you are transferring money from your possession to someone else's, allowing them to generate revenue, pay employees, and invest in growth. At the same time, money also needs to leave the economy through investments in foreign markets, international trade, and debt repayments. These actions prevent excessive accumulation of money in one place and promote diverse investment opportunities and strong global relationships. Budgeting is not just a mundane exercise in number crunching. it is a fundamental practice for achieving financial freedom. By effectively budgeting, you take control of your money and work towards your financial goals. Unfortunately, schools often overlook this vital skill, leaving individuals ill-equipped to manage their finances in the real world. Learning how to budget empowers you to make informed financial decisions and live a more financially secure life. 10. What you do for money. The school system creates a mindset that the only way to make money is by being employed and staying within the confines of a job title. However, true wealth rarely comes from a traditional job. It often stems from taking calculated risks, embracing entrepreneurship, and venturing into uncharted territories. Breaking away from the security of a monthly salary and exploring financial opportunities can lead to unprecedented success. In the future, with the disruptive effects of AI on the job market, everyone will need to embrace entrepreneurship. It's important to start preparing for this shift and cultivating the skills necessary to thrive in the changing landscape. The education system has its limitations when it comes to teaching vital money secrets that are necessary for financial success. By understanding these 10 money secrets they don't teach you in school, you can equip yourself with the knowledge and mindset needed to break free from financial mediocrity. Take control of your financial future, educate yourself, and make informed decisions that will lead you on the path to prosperity and wealth. Remember, the power to change your financial situation lies in your hands.